Hey, it's your boy Mr. Red King coming back with another unboxing. Another under $30 steal. I'm not sure why they put it in this huge box. I think it's only one pair. Not sure what pair it is, but I do know for a fact that it was under $30, which makes it a steal. Thank you for doing business. Look forward to doing business with you again. All right. It's a green box. If I can get it out. Still not sure what it is. Just tearing up stuff. This is too big of a box for this. Oh, okay. Now I know what this is. I was waiting on these. I actually did a video earlier, so make sure you go back and watch my other videos. Adding to the RS sound collection. Just one more colorway added to the collection. If you haven't seen my other video on this, then I have a thing for the RS-0 ever since that first pair that came out. This is a comfortable shoe. It's light. It's breathable. You have your perforated. I've gone over it. There's nothing new. There's nothing different. Just a colorway. Your red, white, and blue colorway. You can call it the France, the USA, whatever other country is red, white, and blue. But yeah, it's just, to me, this is easily one of my most favorite models. Like I've said before, I love the comfort. Now I have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my 9th colorway of this shoe. I think I'm pretty much done. There's a couple more, but I'm just like like, you know, you got the Adder that came out, the Polaroid, but you know, I'm not trying to spend 120, 150, however much the resale is, since they're sold out. Actually, Polaroid's not sold out, but I'm on my thing. Like I said, $30 or less. I did break the rule for that Bape disc pair. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go and check it out. Paid $47 for that. But all the other ones that I've unboxed, so for the past 5-6 videos, they've all been $30 or less. Nothing you haven't seen before. Just hit you with that booty shot. Quick 360 for these dead stock beauties. Under 30, can't let it go. Nobody in their right mind would let this go for $30, but that's the joy of eBay. You're locked in. Now, granted, sometimes some guys be like, oh no, I can't, it was an error, they cancel your bid, refund. Big thing is you get refunded. Anything shady, you get refunded. Shoe come in, it's not as they describe, you get refunded. Or you could settle with the seller. But either way, eBay always steps in, takes care of me. So I'm happy with eBay. Just takes patience. You know, it might be there 1 week, you might not see another shoe like that for 3-4 months. It's just all about patience. So again, RS-0 sound, another one added to the collection. Hopefully I'm done, unless I see another one for a steal, then I gotta do it. But you're already on the YouTube channel. Hit that notification, subscribe, make sure you keep up to date, make sure you check out my other videos. I got more and more coming. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, leave me a like, comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like, if you agree, disagree, you want to see something behind me, you want to see other things, some on feet. I have it on my Instagram, that's Mr._Red King. So be sure to check me out. Appreciate the love, those that's already subscribed, following, appreciate it. Do keep in mind, if you watch one of my other videos, I do have a pair of Dr. Eggman RS-0s, dead stock. I have 2 pair. So I have another pair of the Dr. Eggman, the all red. So they're size US 10. If you want it, check out the video, shoot me a message. They're going for less than retail. I promise you that. Less than retail, even with shipping. Not trying to get over on anybody. That's not who I am. That's not my style. But until the next video, you know me. Be breezy.